What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be changing the oil on a Z425 John Deere zero-turn. Pretty straightforward process. So looking at getting the oil out, you have a 10 millimeter sort of a set screw down there right here. So all we're going to do is loosen that up, then it's going to drain down to the bottom. I already got my oil pan down there, so let's go ahead and loosen this up. Get it loosened up, and then we can do it by hand. You can see it draining out down there. So let me start letting that drain out and come back for the next step. Alrighty guys, got all the oil drained out, got my screw tightened back up. Next thing that we're going to want to do is take off this oil filter here at the back and get that swapped out. So we got our new oil filter here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the old oil, put it on this seal. We'll go ahead and get that back on. Alright, last thing we got to do is put some oil in it. Go ahead and take the dipstick out here, and you can actually see on the Z425 it tells you right here Z425 is 1.75 quarts or 1.6 liters. So let's go ahead and get the oil in. Alright, let's go ahead and check it. So you can see here, first dot shows you that you need to add. Second dot will show you that you are full. If you can see, might be hard to tell on camera, but we are right at the second dot. Perfect. So that is it. That's all there is to it, guys. If you would, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, ask any questions that you have, and we'll catch you on the next one.